Hey guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I didn't even plan this. I was just literally sat in my room, minding my own business, and I thought, you know what, because I'm bored, let's make a YouTube video. I've always wanted to be making videos and doing vlogs and stuff like this, because I watched loads of people. Like I watched Roman Atwood, I watched Saffron Barker, Anastasia, Sid and Elle. I watched loads of people, and I just thought I might give it a go. So this video is just about introducing myself, why I'm doing this, etc, etc. So I'll start with when I was little. When I was little, I lived in Nelson. I lived in Nelson how many years? I don't really know how many years, but moved everywhere. So, but I've lived in Nelson since when I was little. I went to nursery, primary school, and I think in the middle of primary school, I moved to Rishton, where I'm living now. I've been living in Rishton nearly 10 years now. But yeah, so done a lot of moving and stuff like that. So this is a photo of me when I was little. I think that was a primary school form or nursery, I'm not too sure. But yeah, embarrassing. Oh well. These are me and my sister and brother. I think it's like kind of ripped here, sorry guys. That's me in the middle with the cheek and now. I think we were in primary school then, weren't we? I don't know. I don't know, guys. But anyway, yeah, they were me in primary school when I lived in Nelson. Then I moved to Rishton. I started at, what's it called? I feel so bad for forgetting. Rishton Methodist Primary School in Rishton. I started there, and then I moved on to Norden High School. It wasn't great, but I got through it at the end. Yeah, I didn't do well in my GCSEs. I only got one GCSE. I don't feel embarrassed about that. Obviously, I'm a bit disappointed. I could have done better. But it's not only me who has like one GCSE. Some people don't even have any. But you just got to work and work and work hard to get what you want. And I did. I've been in college 3 years now, studying childcare. I have my English, I have my maths, I have level 1 childcare, and now I'm nearly finishing my level 2 childcare, and I will have a qualification in level 2 in childcare, so then I can start working in nurseries, etc. Yeah, so at the moment, I think when I finish my level 2 childcare, I will go to, I think I might go level 3. I'm not quite sure yet. I don't know whether it's apprenticeship or level 3, but that's nothing, that's fine. This is all, well, apart from one, of my brothers and sisters. I'm going to sneeze. No, I'm not. These are my brothers and sisters. One sister isn't on there. I don't think she came to the photo shoot. Clearly she didn't because she's not in there. But yeah, that's all of us. I'm right over here. One with curly hair, and I always got curly hair. Yeah, so we have Mitchell, Jordan, me, Sophia, Madison, Jacob, Chloe. Yes, we have 2 Chloes in our family. I have 2 sisters called Chloe. The reason being is one of the Chloes is my mum's daughter, and the other Chloe is my stepdad's daughter. So when they're like together, we got 2 Chloes. But yeah, that's everything. That's fine. And then I finished high school in, when did I finish high school? Oh my gosh, I don't know when I finished high school. Well, it's been so long since I've finished high school, and my prom, I mean, most girls love proms. Most girls love dresses, makeup, the lot. As you can tell, I don't wear makeup. And I don't like wearing dresses, and I don't like wearing skirts and stuff like that. I'm proper like, just, I won't say tomboy, but I'm not girly girl, really. I think I'm just standard. just a standard girl. But this is me, and I look sorry, it's really embarrassing, but this is me at prom with my English teacher. I might actually just have to cut her out, but you know. That is me on my prom. I don't know where we went for a prom, but it was actually really nice. It was really nice at the prom, apart from the dress and everything else, but you know. Yeah, so that's basically about me, and the reason for me doing a YouTube is I don't have a hobby. And a lot of people think everyone has a hobby, but I think, and I go, I don't like to do anything. I just like to chill. So I thought, oh my god, I'm going to sneeze again. Oh, sorry guys. Oh my god. Oh. So I just thought, you know, if I start a YouTube channel, I might actually enjoy it, but I don't like. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't like really like to take pictures of myself and stuff like that, so oh my I'm literally having a sneeze attack. That's another thing about me. I get this sneeze attack. Once you sneeze once, you're just constantly sneezing. It's really irritating. But anyway, I think I've calmed down a bit. What were I going to say now? Oh my gosh. I just thought if I did a oh my days, I'm going to sneeze. I just thought if I did a YouTube channel, I might actually get some fun out of it, you know? I don't really do much after college or after work. I just lounge around and just, you know, mind my own business. So I thought maybe if I do channels, fun things, and also maybe vlog my life, vlog my family, if oh my days, if they wanted to be vlogged. Obviously I'm not gonna go around and go, oh, this is this person, this is this person. It's just no. I just want to start something new. And a lot of people, like, seriously, what is going on? This is such a bad start. Like, what's my life? Really? But anyway. Most girls, well, not most girls, that's quite sexist, but most people might not like me doing this. People in my life, people on YouTube, social media, but I just want to try something new. Like, you always try things new in life. You can't always just stick to one thing. You need to keep going and going and going and trying new things. It's like trying new foods and stuff like that. It's just like that. And I want to try YouTube. It's just one of them. So I'm going to see how it goes. Hopefully I get a lot of support and I get people commenting, going, yes, do it, it's behind you and all this, and I don't know, I just feel like this is embarrassing, but it's, I'm sure you like get used to it, maybe, I don't know, but just trying something new, and hopefully people may like videos, what I make, and, you know, I just try my best and to see where it takes me. So thank you for listening on this video, and it's quite long, it's like 10-minute long video. I do apologise, wasting 10 minutes of your life, but anyway, but thank you, and hopefully I will get some support and stuff. So but yeah, thank you for listening, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.